Hi boys and girls. Hopefully you remember from yesterday that we tell time by using a clock. So a calendar, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, and December, those are the months. And when we're planning, we usually need to know what day it is, like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So we have the days of the week and the months of the year, and those are the things that we usually look up on a calendar. But as we go about our day, we have things at different times, like we eat lunch at a certain time, or we wake up for work or school at a certain time. And we use a clock to know what time it is. We have analog clocks, which are the clocks like you would see that have the numbers that go in a circle, and we have digital clocks. They both show the time. Right now, both of my clocks are showing 12 o'clock. It's a good idea to know exactly where the numbers are on the clock's face. We call that round flat part the clock face. The things that go around that point are the hands. So a clock has a face and it has hands. I'm going to go ahead and put the numbers on here. I always start with 12 on top and 6 on the bottom. I put 3 in the middle of 12 and 6, and I put 9 in the middle of 12 and 6 on this side. And then you got to put in 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, whoops, tape came off, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And that's the order that you will see the numbers on a clock. 12 is always at the top, followed by 1. Remember, there are 24 hours in a day, so the hands go around the clock 2 times. The first time in the morning hours is AM. The second time, afternoon and evening hours, is PM. In your packet, you do have another page of clock numbers. So if you don't have yours left over from yesterday, go ahead and practice putting those in order. You'll also have a song, and it goes like this. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. What time is it? What time is it? Please could you tell me the time? And I can't sing this very well. It's 1 o'clock, it's 2 o'clock, it's 3 o'clock, it's 4 o'clock, it's 5 o'clock, it's 6 o'clock. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. It's 7 o'clock, it's 8 o'clock, it's 9 o'clock, it's 10 o'clock, it's 11 o'clock, it's 12 o'clock. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. And I think most of you can read a lot of this because these are words, most of these are words that we know. There are number words in here and a lot of sight words. So practice this song. You might be able to find a better way to sing it than I just did. Now, inside of your packet, there are 2 things today that we will use to practice telling time. You also have a subtraction practice. So make sure you notice that there's a minus sign. You're practicing subtraction. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to be drawing the hands on these clocks. Now the first one, I'm going to use this. This first one says 12 o'clock. Well, I know that for the o'clock, the long hand has to go straight up on the 12, right? So the minute hand should be pointing at the 12, and the hour hand is also pointing at the 12. So that makes it 12 o'clock. The next one says 3 o'clock. So again, the long minute hand is pointing at the 12, but the shorter hour hand is pointing at the 3. That's 3 o'clock. All of these say o'clock, so you're always going to have your long hand pointing at the 12. And then whatever the number is, your shorthand, the hour hand, will be pointing at that. So like this one says 7 o'clock. So that's 7 o'clock. Now this great big clock face is for you to practice. You will use this inside of your dry erase sleeve, and that way you can do it more than once. You could say, I'm going to do 5 o'clock. I'm going to use marker on mine because I'm only going to do the one example. But let's say I want to do 5 o'clock. The 5 goes here, the 2 dots, and then the 0, 0. That's 5 o'clock. Again, my minute hand, the long one, points at the 12, and my shorter hour hand points at the 5. 5 o'clock. Just like this says 12 o'clock, 2 zeros means o'clock. 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock. So this is something you can use as a game to practice with today, okay? Make sure that you keep this so you can try all the different combinations and try to write it in both digital and analog. All right, have a great day. Bye.